Laser levels have a place in everyone's toolkit, from homeowners to avid DIYers to professionals alike. Unlike a traditional level, which must be held and adjusted in place to achieve a level guide, laser levels project a perfectly level laser line against the wall, giving you a constant reference point that's totally hand-free. Finding the perfect laser levels can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best laser levels from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Line Laser. To win the title of Best Overall, a laser level needed to exceed in several categories. After testing, the DeWalt was the clear winner. At first unboxing, the DeWalt self-leveling laser level impressed us with its durable hard case complete with sturdy metal latches. The quality of the tool itself was equally impressive, as well as the integrated pivoting magnetic mount, which featured strong, sturdy magnets. The DeWalt laser also included a wall mount with a built-in clamp for installing drop-down ceilings. Upon testing, the DeWalt laser's red beam was highly visible in a variety of settings, including outdoors, where it was the brightest red beam option tested. The DeWalt laser level was also the most accurate of all the laser levels tested, with 0 inches of deviation over 15 feet. Additionally, the laser beam was only 1/16 inch at 15 feet, which made for a crisp, visible line. The self-leveling action of the laser level was noticeably quick and provided a steady level line within seconds of bumping the tripod. We also liked that the DeWalt utilized AA batteries rather than rechargeable batteries, as this allows the user to quickly change the batteries should they die during use. The included hard case had 3 slots that could be used to store extra batteries or to hold the batteries once removed for storage. Number 2. Rockseed Crossline Laser. If you're looking for a high-quality laser level on a budget, the Rockseed laser level is the one. We were shocked to see that this laser level was under $30. Even if the price had been higher, the Rockseed laser level would have easily qualified for other categories on this list. In testing, its self-leveling green beam was exceptionally bright and maintained a crisp 1/16 inch line at 15 feet. This compact laser was highly accurate, with an ever-so-slight deviation of 1/32 inch at 15 feet, which was even better than the brand's claim. While this laser level doesn't come with any accessories, it does feature a soft hook and loop case with a belt mount. Number 3. Sigmund Self-Leveling 3x360 degrees 3D Laser Level. Need to work on an entire room at one time? The Sigmund 3x360 degree self-leveling laser is up to the task. With 2 360-degree vertical beams and 1 360-degree horizontal beam, you can do everything with this highly capable laser. The Sigmund laser level comes with several handy accessories like a pivoting magnetic wall mount, a green laser target that aids in seeing the laser beam in bright settings, and a mini tripod mount that doubles as a 1/4 inch to 5/8 inch adapter for mounting the laser level on a larger tripod mount. The mini tripod even features a precision adjustment for easily lining up the laser level. To ensure the Sigmund's rechargeable battery lasts as long as possible, the 4 brightness options offer 6, 9, 15, and 30 hours of battery life. Best of all, this Sigmund model is the only one on our list to include a remote control, which allows you to turn off one or more of the beams or change their brightness without having to touch the laser. The hard cloth case has a luxe molded foam insert with room for every accessory and offers superior protection to the laser level. Number 4. Klein Tools 93 LCLS Laser Level. Looking for a laser level that can hold its own on the job site? The Klein Tools self-leveling laser level is the definition of heavy duty. When performing the drop test for durability, we were more concerned about the floor than the Klein Tools laser level. Anyone familiar with the Klein Tools brand shouldn't be surprised by this level of quality. In addition to its durability, we were pleased with the red beam's brightness, which was even visible at 8 feet outdoors. The thin 1/16 inch beam was highly visible in a variety of settings and performed in the top tier of the accuracy test with only a 1/32 inch deviation at 15 feet. On top of all these positive attributes, the hard case with metal latches felt as if it would easily keep the tool safe and secure no matter what. Number 5. Green Cross-Line Rotary Lasers. The Motavara 100-foot Green Cross-Line Laser Level LL T2 projects 110 degrees self-leveling laser level, ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Its rotary laser ensures precise leveling over long distances. Compact, lightweight, with a soft grip, it's easy to carry and drop resistant. Rated IP54 for dust and water resistance, it's built for tough conditions. Horizontal accuracy, plus or minus 3 mm at 10 m, plus or minus 1/8 inch at 33 feet. With 4 levels of brightness adjustment, the green laser provides flexibility in power-saving mode, allowing you to work efficiently in diverse environments. The green beam offers 4x the visibility of red lasers under the same conditions. Indoor range reaches up to 100 feet, while the rotary laser's outdoor compatibility ensures exceptional performance even in bright conditions. The laser level includes a 360 degrees rotatable magnetic bracket and a durable iron piece, allowing for effortless placement on any surface. The 1/4" 20 mounting thread is compatible with standard tripods, while the fine adjustment knobs enable precise left-right and front-back positioning. The magnetic suction device provides a stable setup, making it a reliable choice for a range of applications. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.